All right, good morning. We are well on our way to watching the sunrise together. It is like 6:12, and yeah, this is gorgeous. You get to see my big round silhouette of my big round head and my chiclets. Yeah, so I'm happy. Took me 12 minutes flat to do that. I'm thinking about my bag that I love so much that the rats ate through. That I would not be using to store items, which that bag was a great item, a great place to store items. But unfortunately, the rats have taken over. I don't even think I will pick that bag up. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, so that's that. So now I'm on my way to pick up my other load. Ooh, the sun rising thing is happening fast. I can see my face. A thought that I had, random thought. I hate shoes with shoelaces. Now, I know I'm 40. Learned to tie my shoes a long time ago. But for some reason, I haven't worn lace shoes in a long time. Then in my adult years, I started wearing them. And it really got on my nerves because they keep coming untied. I don't see the point. Velcro would have been nice. I don't know why I didn't get Velcro shoes. Maybe I couldn't find any that I thought were cool. I don't know what the situation is. Usually I'm not big on looks anyway. But I think probably all the Velcro shoes were like grandma shoes that were. I wanted something, running shoes, Velcro running shoes that were black with a little bit of flavor. Couldn't find that, so I had to get regular shoes. And my nails are just breaking off. One broke off completely already this morning, and I didn't even know that it was heading in that direction, ironically. Yep. So, almost where I need to be, which is the gate. Still got a long way to go after that. And I'm walking up on our office, and it looks so light with the lamp dimly lit. I miss that, it reminds me of a home, One day, my friends, one day, when we clock out.